Welcome to our YouTube channel English Titbits. Learn English from Sabo and Anna, a father, Dr. Dew. Let me first introduce myself. I am Cortical Sebastian Burgess, who has been an English teacher throughout his life. I started teaching English in Fort Cochin, where I was born and brought up. Then I went abroad and taught English for 14 years in Bhutan and Republic of Maldives. Then I came back to Kerala and taught ICSE and ISC students for 18 long years English language and creative writing. Then I had a short stint in Marine International Institute of Management teaching English. I am a master's degree holder in English. I've learned creative writing from Manchester Academy, UK. I write under the pen name Kasava. My novel, When Will My Tree Bloom, has been published from Mumbai by BecomeShakespeare.com. I have written more than 100 short stories and a few novels, of which the novel Hullabelle at the School and 50 short stories have been selected by a publisher from Mumbai. Now I am waiting eagerly for a good contract from them. Now let us talk about the learning of English. When you learn English, you have to learn the 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Now let us talk about listening skill. You have to listen to good speakers of English and try to understand them. Watch English films and listen to the dialogues therein. So also watch other English programs. Listen to newsreaders in All India Radio because you are expected to speak like them. So also later on listen to newsreaders in BBC because they are people who have received RP or received the correct pronunciation. There are some exercises to improve your listening skill. First one is tape a song and then write the song with some blank spaces. Now stop the tape and fill in the blanks in the song. Another exercise you can do is tape a passage and then make questions on the passage. Then play the tape twice and listen to the passage. Then switch it off and answer the questions in your own words. This will help your listening skill and writing skill. Now let us talk about the second skill, speaking. You have to speak in English. There is no shortcut. You have to speak whenever you get a chance. In the beginning, it will be a little difficult for others to understand you, but in course of time, they will understand you easily. Read a passage and then talk about the passage in your own words in English. So also you can watch programs in TV and then talk about the programs in your own words in English. Listen to other English programs. All these will help you to improve your speaking skill. Now let us come to reading. Reading, when you do, you have to read aloud so that your ear will tell you whether you have gone wrong or right. Read according to sense groups and not word by word. For example, do not say I am playing football. I am playing football. But read I am playing football. Another one is I am going home. Do not read I am going home word by word, but according to sense groups like I am going home. Read whatever you get, but it should be in English. Now let us come to writing. Writing skill is very important. Reading and writing goes together. Read whatever you get in English. When you read, you may come across a word which is difficult for you to understand. Look up the meaning in the dictionary and learn to use the word in different contexts. So also, you may come across many words and phrases which you can look up in the dictionary to understand the meaning, and then when you write, most of the words which are carved in your mind will tumble down automatically, beautifying your language. Read for 30 minutes and write for 30 minutes. Read whatever you get, let it be newspapers, magazines, or stories and novels, but it should be in English. And this is how you have to learn the 4 skills. This is all for now. More in later lessons. Goodbye to you all.